Hi, my name's Lisa London and I put together the Cooking Around the World series. And today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken cordon bleu, and it is on page 10 in Cooking Around the World. Okay, the ingredients that we'll use today, we will have chicken, we'll have honey ham, we have Swiss cheese, we have cornflake crumbs, we have egg, we have kneaded egg, and we have milk. And then we're going to make a sauce, and we're going to be using sour cream, cream of mushroom soup, and tarragon. Okay, and one of the things I always like to do, I always like to wash my chicken really well, very thorough, get all the slimes off of it. I usually wash mine in cold water because that makes sure it's good and clean. Just kind of wash it. This water gets kind of cold. Like a clean chicken. Okay, and then I usually buy, get this out of the way. I usually like to buy really big chicken breast. And then I always cut them in half. And then I cut away the fatty parts, the tenderloin part, I guess you could call it. Turn it over. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's just cut that right off. Okay, then we'll just throw that away. Then we'll do this with each one and get the fat, the white stuff out of the way. This chicken's pretty lean, so there's not really a whole lot to it. We'll just cut this little part off right there. Get rid of that. And then we cut it in half. And it makes the chicken go a lot farther too. I usually always make up 4, and then you can use the leftovers for all kinds of yummy stuff. Okay. Right there, get rid of that. Let's cut this part off right there. Okay, and put this here. Okay. Then the next thing is take this, really good if you've had a bad day, get those aggressions out. And we thin out the chicken. And I use the tenderizer. Okay, that one's ready. Now we just do the rest of them. Okay, seems like it kind of gets it thinner a little easier. Oh, that one went real fast. And the smooth kind of absolutely beautiful. Beat that chicken. You've been bad. Okay. And now wash the cutting board. All this stuff off. You want to be really careful. You don't want to get salmonella or anything. And spray. I set the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, and then you take each one and you take a couple of slices of ham. Some Swiss cheese. And you roll it up. Then you can use toothpicks. These are like shish kebab spears that I'm using. Okay, and then you take an egg. And you take some of the crushed corn flakes. I learned how to make this recipe in the Caribbean, and we were looking to have dinner one night, and we were just looked through the cabbage to see what we had, and I was with a lady also named Lisa, and she was showing me. We found all these ingredients, and she showed me how to cook this. I hadn't really cooked a whole lot, so this was all kind of new to me. Now I used a cup of milk. And I mixed it with the egg. I think I'm going to put one more egg in there. Okay, then you take your fork and you whisk it real good. And you get it to where it's smooth. Okay. And then you dip this. And then you put it in the cornflakes. Sprinkle some on top. Okay, then you move it over the pan. Then you just do each one. Go You should probably want to wash your hands in between. But I just thought it was really amazing that she just went into the kitchen and she saw these ingredients and she's like, oh, I know what to make. And I'd never had chicken cordon bleu before, so it was a treat for me. And then we're in the middle of the Caribbean. I couldn't even really tell you where we were, but we were on a boat called Yellow Shoes. I usually put 2 pieces. Take your Swiss cheese and roll it up. Take the other side, stab it through. Milk on it. Then you just keep doing this until you get each one finished. Okay, this is a sauce that I like to make for chicken cordon bleu. And to me, it doesn't taste anything like you would picture it. You use cream of chicken soup and sour cream and tarragon. But to me, when you mix it up and you use the tarragon, it changes it into a different flavor. To me, it tastes almost like a holiday sauce. Hopefully you'll like it as much as I do. But you turn it on medium heat. Put the cream of chicken soup there. Then you take half a cup of sour cream. It's about that. Stir that in. Then you stir it. And then mix in some tarragon. Make sure your stove's on, that definitely helps. Then you stir. But it always seems so strange to me how the taste changes so much. Now, not long till the chicken comes out.